everybody, welcome back. It is your Natural Nail Guru, and today we're going to be trying out what I guess would be considered the new age version of infomercials, which is social media ads. Now, since I'm searching nail stuff all the time, I'm constantly getting nail ads, and I've definitely ordered my share of nail stuff. But today we're going to be going over and reviewing a nail drill that I bought on one of these Facebook applications. Just scrolling through, it was like 35 bucks, I think it is. It's a very lightweight package, so let's open it up, see what we have in there, and see how it works. Okay, so here we have a drill. I probably paid like 35 bucks for this. Got it off one of those sponsored ads on Facebook. It's super basic, really nice and cheap. I love that it is handheld and accessible. Now, I don't use electric files in the shop. However, I do a lot of overlay, and buffing that thing by hand can get a little rough. So I'm definitely interested in finding an e-file that I like that's really nice to use just to bring down some of that thickness on the product a little bit easier on the hands so we can get to soaking a little bit quicker. But here we have the handheld device. It comes with a cable, which I can tell you right now, this cable is kind of tiny, but we'll get a little extension for it. We have different types of bits. Now, it's important to know the difference of these bits because you're not supposed to necessarily use the same one for all of them. But today, I'm really just testing the overall power of the device, see if it does the basics, I guess you can say. Let's open this up. And then I just want to bring down product, so I'm going to use a regular file. You have some different sanding bits on it, but they're coming off a little bit. These look a little cheapy, but you can use your own. It looks standard size, I think. Well, for sure, yeah, what they send you definitely does not fit. This is not going to file anything. So let me see the other one. Oh, this is like, yeah, these are garbage. This is going to slide. Let me see if I have some that'll fit this. And we're back. So yeah, what they sent are garbage. So I'm going to throw these away, but I do have a bunch of carbide bits and they do fit. Yeah, nice fit. Okay, so here the instructions. It comes with just one piece of paper instruction, very simple. We're going to push this down, and then just like regular hand tools, we'll be able to open it up to separate it and get this in there, and then we're going to tighten it up and then let it go. All right, it's very lightweight. Let's plug this in. I need to get an extension cord because this thing is way too short. And then down here we have the speed. That's intense. You want to be careful with that. So this is my pedicure specialist. Her nails are always amazing and on point because she's an Oh My Gel girl, obviously. Just admire that for a moment. So cute. But it's time to get rid of them. And these hands need a little break in thinning out that overlay. So let's check it out. Okay, I hate having, let me put this on this side. Oh, there you go. Gotta move the cable around. There we go. All right, so. Now, as always, we want to be careful. I'm just going to be thinning out product. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Let's put a higher RPM. Let's try that again. Okay, so the RPM just needs to be a little higher. Let's go. Okay, yeah, that is no bueno. Come on. Let's put it all the way up. Okay, I'm going to be here forever trying to do this. Is this the max that it goes? Literally, does that even, am I applying a lot of pressure? Oh my God, it completely stopped. Okay. So, wow, what a bust. Man, you know what? This is crazy. Anyone who's buying this, look at that. It slows down the moment that I put it on the nail plate. I'll take forever to thin that. Actually, it thinned it out a little bit. Let me see. Oh, wow. That's crazy. That sucks. The idea to be really nice, but this has no power to thin out product. As soon as you put it down, Yeah. Well, guys, this is a Facebook sponsored ad that was a bust. It totally sucked. It's only $35, but man, what a waste. I can see maybe if you're using it for cuticle care because you really want a soft touch, but I'm not trying to use this for cuticle care. I needed this to wear down some product. So this one was definitely a bust. Okay, so overall, the nail drill is 100% a bust. That was a complete waste of $35. That thing has no power whatsoever. I mean, at the very most, maybe you can use it to do cuticle cleaning with the drill bits because you really don't need that much power to do it. But the moment you start putting a little bit of pressure on the drill, it immediately stops. So as I was looking through the ad again and see whether or not I could return this lovely device, I was bummed but not surprised to find that no returns are allowed. So now I have an extra piece of equipment here.
That doesn't.
But yeah, so hopefully this saves you guys from buying this nail drill on Facebook or Instagram or wherever you might come across it. And hopefully it'll make you think twice about spending $35 on a Facebook ad for any nail drill in general. But that's what I'm here for. I'm sure I'll be duped again with some more products on these social media ads, so I'll be happy to share them with you and let you know whether or not they were worth it. So as always, if you like being up to date with the most thorough reviews, with the most extensive information regarding your natural nail health, you guys know what you need to do. Subscribe, hit that like and share, make sure that you're sharing with all your fellow nail enthusiasts, and let's see how many more Facebook ads I can get duped by. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.